welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the basics of the Qatar Family Residence Visa, what it is, who qualifies, and most importantly, how to apply for it. If you're looking to bring your family to Qatar, stay tuned for this essential guide. So what exactly is the Qatar Family Residence Visa? This visa allows expats working in Qatar to bring their immediate family members, like their spouse and children, to live with them in the country. It's a long-term visa and can be renewed as long as the primary visa holder continues to meet the eligibility requirements. To qualify, you'll need to meet certain criteria. For example, the primary applicant must have a minimum salary, typically around 10,000 Qatari riyals. You'll also need valid employment in Qatar, proof of suitable accommodation, and, in some cases, a government-approved employment contract. Now, let's talk about how to apply. The process involves a few steps. Application submission. Begin by submitting the application at the Ministry of Interior or online through the MOI e-services portal. Attach the required documents, like your passport, marriage certificate, and your child's birth certificate. Document verification. All documents, especially those issued outside Qatar, must be attested by the appropriate authorities, including the Qatar Embassy in your home country, medical tests. Once your application is accepted, family members will need to undergo a medical examination. This is a requirement for everyone applying for residence in Qatar. Collecting the residence permit. Finally, once all the requirements are fulfilled and the visa is approved, you'll receive the family residence permit allowing your family to join you in Qatar. And that's it! Following these steps can make the process much smoother. Remember, having your family with you in Qatar can make your stay more enjoyable and comfortable. Narrator. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Qatar-related updates, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.